It's probably the best Apple tool, Keynote. You can create amazing presentation, animation, very cool transition between the slide. At the end, you can export your document as a GIF if you love GIFs, and of course, you can export your presentation as a video. It's a very cool tool to create videos. So let's go for Keynote. Let's start with Keynote, and I will create a presentation. It will be a GIF, or I can export after my file as a video. So let's start. I will create one more page, a blank page, and I want to get an image. I will show you something cool with Keynote. Split view. I'm going to Safari, and I want the image of Albert Einstein. I will just drag document. No, it doesn't want. Okay, yes. Now I have my image here. Something quite cool. You'll see I can there's a background, and I want to remove the background. Maybe I will show you how it works. First, I will add one square. Okay, let's move to the brush. It will be style. I want it to be black. And what I want to do also is to be sure that it's the black square is a background. Now I'm clicking on my image, and I can remove the background, and you see it's quite cool. I have no more background on the picture. Well, I know that I will want to add a text. It will be E equal, of course, E equal MC square. Just want to be sure that the text is much bigger, so let's say 80. Yeah. Now I want to draw the MC square, but I will duplicate this page. I will copy, I will click again, paste, and now I want to add the drawing. So I click here because I have my pencil, my pen. I would say MC square. Okay, I think it's done for my drawing. And what I want, I will click here, and I will say animate, and I will say line draw. Now I can, you see, quite cool, it's working fine. I will say, okay, no, I want it faster. Okay, let's try to see. Very good. Okay, I think it's done. And what I want now is to export my document as, I have the choice, let's say as a GIF. Something important, I want 1 second per slide. I don't want to have to start from the slide number 1, but slide number 2, 2 to 3. I think it's cool. I will export it, and I will save it to photos. Maybe I can try to see in photos what I have, and let's see. Okay, it's a GIF. The image is repeated. It's fine. Now, if I'm going back to my Keynote file, I can also export my file as a movie. I can define the time we spend on each slide, and I will export my document as a movie. share. Again, I will save all my videos. Imagine that I've done a GIF. If I want to add my GIF on a Google Doc, for example, I'm going to image from photos. And I think it was this one. Let's see if it works. And it works. My GIF is embedded in my Google Doc. Let's play with Keynote. Okay, on my first slide, maybe I will, I don't know, I want to add kind of an intro. You will see why I will add a square. Actually, you have a lot of different themes, basic shapes, geometry, animals, objects, well, symbols, education, a lot of different stuff. I want to have a black square. I'm going to go to style. Okay, this is black. Now I'm going to, I want to speak about Keynote, so let's go to this image. I will grab, or maybe I can see if I can add my Keynote logo on my slide, full screen. And let's say that, well, I want first to have a transition between my first slide and the second one. I'm going to the three dots here, and I will go to animate, and I will add a transition. You have, again, a lot of different possibilities. The one I love is magic moves. Going to, so it's done. No, I'm going to my slide, and I want this image to appear. So I will do animate, add built-in, sorry, and well, let's say maybe a blur. Okay, this is it, done. And I will add one more slide, and I will say, okay, on that slide I want to write a text. So I'm going to basic, I'm going to text, and say, well, Keynote is a great tool. Same, I want to animate it. Action build, maybe there is, let's see what we have. Keyboard, blind, moving, a lot of different possibilities. Okay, let's try confetti. Okay, this is it. Done. Actually, if I want to maybe to change something, let's say that I want it to be very fast. Okay, done. And what can we do with Keynote as well? Now you can import movies. Let's say that, I'm going to here photo or video. Let's try to see if I have a short movie. This one, I will reframe it. I will add a border. Can have some shadows. I can have some reflection if I want. And this is, and between the slide 2 and slide 3 is the same. I want a transition, animate transition. Let's say that okay, let's go to drop and see what we will get. Okay, it's a little bit cheesy, something like dissolve. I think it's better. And well, let's see, let's play it. I need to type on my screen in order to have the animations. Okay, this is it. And now I have my movie, and we'll click, and I will have Keynote is a great tool. And if I want to play the movie, I just press on my video, and this is it. This is how it works. That's done for Keynote. Of course, when you have that, you want to export your document. There is different of options. You can create GIF. Maybe this presentation is not, the purpose is not to make a GIF. Maybe it could be a PDF. Well, not very interesting, but why not a movie? And maybe I can change the duration of the time we spend on each slide. And when I'm okay with the different parameters, I can say export, and I will get a movie. So easy. It takes maybe a little bit of time to create the document, to export the movie, but this is it.